Hello, 8th graders. Happy Monday and Tuesday. This is going to be your video explanation for both Monday and Tuesday. So you're going to go into Canvas to find our work, remember? And this is something I want you to practice. Instead of going to assignments, which you've been going to, please go to your Modules tab on the left-hand side. There you will find a write-up of our disease project along with this video instruction. Monday and Tuesday, you are going to be working on a disease presentation. This is going to take place of your final assessment for our disease unit as we finish it up. So there are 2 days to the project. Day 1 is doing the research and creating a PowerPoint presentation. Day 2 is actually presenting to your peers. If you are watching this and you're electronically tuned in, you're going to need to Zoom into your class time on Tuesday to present. You'll share your screen, do your presentation, fine and dandy, or you will need to pre-record a lecture like I'm doing now using the software Screencast-O-Matic. So to go through that real quick, to find the Zoom link, they're on the home page, right? Make sure you are clicking the one that says for all other Zooms. Don't click the Wednesday Zoom link. If you're going to record it, you're going to click Screencast-O-Matic just like I do. You'll click Start Recording for free. You're going to launch the free recorder, or it's going to have you download it. So if you do not want to download this software, that means that you need to be in the Zoom meeting with us. Okay? So launch free recorder, it'll launch, it'll give you a section of your screen to be able to present. You can decide if you want your face in it or not, but we need to see your PowerPoint presentation. And then you would pull up your PowerPoint and start recording just like I do when I record your lectures. Again, if you don't want to download this software because maybe you're worried about it hurting your computer, which it won't because it hasn't hurt mine, but if that's something you're worried about, then you need to be at the Zoom to present to your class. Presenting, you'll spend today presenting with your peers. In class, we'll do this in small groups. If you're tuning in electronically, you'll present to the whole class, or to the whole class. Just briefly, it'll be about 3 to 5 minutes presentation of what you learned on your disease. Here's what the presentation is going to be about, though. So you're going to complete a research project on a disease chosen from the list below. You'll research the disease and answer the following questions on separate slides. Here's your questions. What disease did you pick? Does it have multiple names? So if it's something like mad cow disease, does it have a more scientific name? When and where were the outbreaks? Has there been an epidemic or pandemic of the disease? What are the symptoms and treatments? Do we still have the disease today? What causes the disease, and how does the disease spread? And you can also include any fun facts. And I also expect you, because you're not experts on these diseases, you need to be citing your sources. So if you are using Wikipedia, you need to cite that. If you're using the CDC website, you need to cite that. If you're using the WHO website, World Health Organization, you need to cite that. You will be assessed based on the following rubric. Here's the rubric. You're going to be assessed on the design and organization of your PowerPoint. So was the content easy to read with headings and subheadings? Text and graphics were neatly organized and made the project easy to read. And then they go down in ability as you move to the right of your screen. And then disease name, did you have it? Did you not have it? Pretty much. You can't score proficient or apprentice in either of those. Did you have it or not? Disease symptoms, did you identify the symptoms and how they affect the body? Did you not, or did you identify most of the symptoms and how they affect the body? How did it spread in the outbreaks? Did you tell us how it spread, and did you identify 2 outbreaks or epidemics of the pandemic or disease? So some of these diseases are going to have many outbreaks and pandemics. I only want you to list 2. If it only has 1, you can just list 1. Causes of disease. Did you tell me what causes the disease? Is it viral, bacterial, fungal, or something else? And this is pretty much, did you do it or did you not? I'm going to take the points that you earn. So if you earn in this category, you get 4s. This category, you get 3s, 2s, 1s, and you can get a 4 here, maybe a 1 here, you know, just kind of that. So I'm going to total up the points, put your name on here, and give you your score. If you want help, you can reference the examples that I've been going through with you on cholera and influenza. So here are my PowerPoints. They're written and formatted exactly how I would expect you, maybe with a little bit more flair. I mean, come on, not everybody can have jokes like these right here. But that's what I expect of you. You can throw in a video if you'd like. You definitely don't have to. And just if you think maybe it'll help explain something. But these are perfect examples of how I expect yours to look, including this sources page right here, cite your sources. I would prefer and highly suggest that you do not copy and paste anything on here. So you shouldn't be looking up and copying and pasting in there. You need to put it in your own words, and you need to be sure that even if you put it in your own words, you still cite where you got it, because you probably didn't know what you're writing down. Notice also the design of your PowerPoint is counted as part of your grade. Be sure to include pictures, and be sure that your PowerPoint is easy to read. You may do this with a partner of your choice, but you each must turn in the assignment on your own Canvas account. Turn in for this will be, your presentation will be graded when you do it. Your PowerPoint will be graded based on you putting the link that is able for me to view into this submission box. Here's your diseases you can pick from. I'm not assigning them, you can pick them. They're all linked to the CDC website on the disease, so that gives you a good place to start your research, but it shouldn't be your only research option. Okay? So you can pick any of these. If you have another one you'd like to do, like somebody already asked me if they could do bubonic plague, you need to clear it with me before you do it, via either face-to-face or email if you'd like. I hope that helps you. Remember, day 2, Tuesday, is presenting, so come ready to present to your peers, anywhere from about 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Okay, you're going to submit this as a copy and paste of the Google Slide links. Have a great day, guys. I hope that you enjoy this project and it'll help you kind of really understand more about diseases. Goodbye.